We are asked to find what each of those parts are, what each of those areas are. So the first thing you need to know is that the total area of this rectangle is going to equal to the sum of these pieces. So the total area of this rectangle, let's call the total area T. Total area T is equal to x plus y plus z. X and y can easily be gotten because you know that x and y are quarter circles, and a quarter circle is basically just a quarter of a circle. So if the area of a circle is pi r square, the area of a quarter circle will be 1 over 4 pi r square. So we can get x, y, but we can't easily get z. So we are going to use this formula to get our z. So now the total area of this shape, since this is a square, our total area T is going to equal to length times breadth. So T is going to equal to 294 units squared. T is equal to 294 units squared. So let's get our x and y. X is already, let's find x and y. So let's find x. X is equal to 1 over 4 pi r squared. Our radius is already given as 14. So we can plug in our values. X is equal to 1 over 4 pi times 14 squared equal to 154 units squared. We do the same thing for y because y is also a quarter circle. But the difference is that we're going to use a different radius. We know that this length here is equal to this length here. If this length is 14, here too is 14. But then we have an extra length to get it to 21. And that extra length is going to be 7, which is going to be the radius of the quarter circle y. So the radius we're going to use here is 7. So we have 1 over 4 times 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. So y is equal to 77 divided by 2. So we know that our x is equal to 154 and our y is equal to 77 divided by 2. So now let's find our z. Let's find z. Okay, z will be gotten from this. Since t is equal to x plus y plus z, and we already know that our x is 154, we know our y is equal to 77 over 2, and z is equal to 294. We can find and we can get what our z will be. So z will be equal to, and that is equal to 203 divided by 2. So z is equal to 203 divided by 2 units squared. That's basically our answer. X is equal to 154 units squared, y is equal to 77 over 2 units squared, and z is equal to 203 divided by 2 units squared.